Thanks for coming on the programme. So what has prompted Egypt to do this now as Israeli forces move into Rafah? Do you feel the timing is significant?
Indeed, Charlotte, it is significant considering two facts. Number one, Egyptian was very upset for what Israel has done in Rafah. Israel had informed Egyptians just a few hours before the operation starts, and the Egyptian government was very upset of that. Secondly, the rejection of the Egyptian Qatari proposal for the ceasefire, that Egypt put a lot of effort, according to the Egyptian calculation. They put a lot of effort to that. They started discussion with the Israelis. They took it to Hamas. Hamas has approved it. And then Israelis rejected that. That upsets the Egyptian a lot. I think those two reasons has pressured the Egyptian government to do something, at least to show that they, Netanyahu cannot throw them under the bus always and just be safe. I think that step is a strong response to Netanyahu and to the Israelis that, you can do whatever you want, but also Egypt can do whatever it wants.
Can you give us some more context around, first of all, how important Egypt-Israeli relations have been historically in the region, and then what impact this move will likely have on them?
That was the model Israel was trying to sell to the region, that, the treaty between Egypt and Israel, late 70s of the 20th century, that was the model that Israel always talked about, that, this is a successful story of peace with the neighboring. And they tried to copy that with Jordan and with the creating the Palestinian Authority. And I think any kind of, I would say, crisis on the relation will have a great impact on potential normalization process between Israel and any other Arab countries. So the Israelis believe that this project with Egypt is important because the Egyptians have done a lot of their policy to, I would say, to consider the need of Israelis for security, and also to consider that no change for the status quo, basically. And they wanted to maintain the status quo, which basically Israel and the right for it is security and stability. Any kind of change in such a situation, this will be upsetting to the Israelis and for the Americans as well.